Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Excel for depreciation schedules and basis tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Excel, begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Visit the official Microsoft website. Navigate to the Office section of the site. Select the option to purchase or download Microsoft Excel. For new users, choose the plan that best suits your needs. If you already have a subscription, sign in to your Microsoft account. Once logged in, find the download link for Excel. Click on the download button to begin the installation process. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to start the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Choose your installation preferences, such as location and additional features. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installed, open Microsoft Excel to verify it's functioning correctly. To create a depreciation schedule, begin a new spreadsheet. Set up your header row with relevant labels, such as asset name, purchase date, cost, and depreciation method. Input your assets and their corresponding details in the rows below the headers. To calculate depreciation, choose the appropriate formula based on the selected method. For straight-line depreciation, use the formula cost salvage value / useful life. For declining balance, use the formula book value at beginning of year X depreciation rate. Fill in the relevant cells with these formulas to automate calculations. Create additional columns for year-by-year tracking if needed, adjusting the formulas accordingly. Regularly save your work to prevent data loss. Familiarize yourself with Excel functions that can enhance your tracking, such as SUM, average, and if statements. Utilize Excel charts to visualize your depreciation data if desired. Periodically review and update your depreciation schedule as needed for accuracy. With these steps completed, you'll have a functional system for tracking basis and depreciation using Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.